There we go. So we are given this trigonometry question from a grade 12 past paper. We're given this expression equal to 3/4, and we're supposed to calculate the value of sine 2x without using a calculator. This is a 5-mark question, and the following is what we need to do. So one thing that you actually want to keep in mind is sine 2x. That is clearly the double angle of sine, of course, you see. So what we know is sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x and then cos x. Now the one thing is, given an expression like this, the sine and the cos are split up, and then sine 2x, the sine and the cos are like pasted together. The only way you're gonna eventually have sine and the cos pasted together is if you do some kind of multiplication. Now the way this is given out, for you to end up with sine x and cos x pasted together, you may want to square both sides, because squaring both sides will force you to have one bracket, where that bracket you'll have to multiply it by itself, and then you may end up with something like this. So this is what I mean. With our original expression, if you square both sides, you're going to have the following. You see here, this is going to be two brackets that look alike. Now here, 3 squared is just a 9, 4 squared is just a 16. Now what we have just done here, this is more like a trend for questions like these, and it's something that they actually like to do for trigonometry. They'll give you an expression equal to a certain number, and then they want you to prove that it is equal to something, or they want you to get a value for something. Now obviously, as we said, use this, open it up, see what you're dealing with. You have a sine and a cos pasted together, so this should be your hint to say that you want to do something for these two to be multiplied together. Now the one way you can get these two to be multiplied together is if you square both sides, you see. So that now here, if you multiply these two brackets, eventually you're going to end up with sine x with cos x next to each other. So let's do that. You see, sine x times sine x, sine squared x, this times that, and this times that, and then cos x times cos x. There we go. The good news is sine squared x plus cos squared x, that just gives us a 1. And then here, minus sine x cos x, and then minus sine x cos x. It's like negative 1 minus 1, right? It's going to give you a negative 2. So here, you can have negative 2 sine x cos x, which is good news, because obviously we are supposed to end up with a value for sine 2x. And now we at least have 2 sine x cos x in our expression over there. So when we see the 2 sine x cos x, we can just change it to sine 2x, and then we want to make the sine 2x the subject of the formula. So we can actually take the sine 2x so that it's a positive value here, and then the 9/16, we can take that over, and then we can just use our calculator. This is giving us 7/16. There we go, and that's the way we like it. So what you're looking at here is our online courses website. Now the package that we do recommend in terms of you going through the entire syllabus in one place is the All Access Pass. The All Access Pass basically gives you access to the entire syllabus in one place. This includes topics like algebra, trigonometry, Euclidean geometry, analytical geometry, and a few extra courses as well, like surface area and volume. The All Access Pass includes the NBT course. The NBT course allows you to practice for your NBTs, specifically the Math MAT section, going through over 200 examples, including an actual past paper. For the AQL, what we do recommend is this workbook. It is a hard copy, including quantitative literacy, and this fee includes free shipping nationwide. For more information, you can click the link in the description. As of this recording, signing up for the All Access Pass will give you access to everything on the website for 5 months in total for a single fee of $5.99. Please note that the content on our website is not the same content as you see here on YouTube.